Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to take long exposure photos on any iPhone. Now, if you want to take photos like this on your iPhone, just go to the home screen and open the camera app on your iPhone. Now just tap on the dots at the upper right corner on the screen. Now from this pop-up window, just enable live motion photos. Now once you enable live motion photos on your iPhone, you will be able to capture long exposure photos. Now let's capture a long exposure photo. Now once you capture your photo, just open the photo and tap on the live icon over here. Now from this window, just select long exposure. And once you select long exposure, it will show the long exposure photo which you have taken. Now as you can see, this is a picture which I have captured earlier. And this is how you can take long exposure photos on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.